We're just gonna jump right into this video, and in this video I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I braid my own hair, you know, in little box braids, just to add the miracle knot that I did in my previous video. As you can see, I part my section out, then I add some jam onto the hair before I start plaiting it. And this is basically just like if I was doing box braids, but just without the extensions. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I thought it might be something that's helpful for some of you guys. Maybe not everybody, but I know sometimes you guys might have questions on how I do certain things, and I just felt like instead of adding this to the braiding video, why not just do it separately and post it for you guys who would like to know how I did it. And in the braiding video, I did mention how many individual braids I had in my hair. I don't remember how much I said, but I will link that video under this one just so you guys could check it out if you haven't already seen it. Also, I'm not going to be talking too much in this video because it's very repetitive what I'm doing. It's just that the foundation of it, the way I part my hair and all of that is what I believe you guys would be more interested in. So yeah, I will not be speaking too much in this video. And each time I part my hair, of course, I go back over it with my gel on the root or on the part, and then I part it again, and this helps to give me a nice clean part. Another thing I do, as you can probably notice here, when I part out my entire row, I part out the sections and pin them up so they're not in the way of each other, and this helped me to get all of them around the same size. I hope I'm explaining that good enough for you to understand. I'm trying my best here. Hope y'all enjoyed that little music. But now that we're back, let me just say this. After I braided my hair all done, I went ahead and I oiled my scalp because I just felt like that was necessary, and this was like the best time to do so. So that's exactly what you see me doing here. And this was the last thing I did to my hair before I went on and start adding the extension. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope it helped somebody. And make sure you check out the next video so you guys could see how I installed the human here. It will be linked below this one.